Today we are going to conclude this chapter real numbers. So here in this important sum is if root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is a plus b root 6, we should find out a and b. So to find a value and b value, first we should express this LHS like RHS. This LHS should be written like a plus b root 6. So if you want to write in a plus b root 6, here denominator is a third, we should rationalize it. Its rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2. So multiplying and dividing by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. So here root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. It is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Here denominator is a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b root 6. Now this is a plus b whole square formula we have to use and we should expand it. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab by root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2. So it is a plus b root 6. Root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2. 2 root 6 by 1 is equal to a plus b root 6. Now 3 plus 2 it is 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. Now when you compare on both sides, on comparing a value we will get 5. Here b root 6 is there. Here 2 root 6 is there. Root 6 you can cancel. You will get b value 2. So root 3 plus root 2 is by root 3 minus root 2 is given as a plus b root 6. So if you express LHS in the form of a plus b root 6 like this, so on comparing you will get a value, b value. Right, second bit. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 2. Find a and b. So here root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 is given as a plus b root 2. So let us take the given condition. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 2. By rationalizing the denominator, if you express LHS like a plus b root 2, we can get the value of a and b. So root 2 minus 1, here rationalizing factor of the denominator is root 2 minus 1. So multiplying and dividing by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Numerator is root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1, it is root 2 minus 1 whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square. Now we should expand root 2 minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab by root 2 whole square is 2, 1 square is 1. Root 2 whole square is 2, 1 square is 1 minus 2 root 2. 2 minus 1 it is 1. Here 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. Now on comparing, a value is 3. Here b root 2 is there. Left side minus 2 root 2 is there. You can cancel root 2 root 2. So that b value is minus 2. Right, question number 3. Find the values of x, y and z in the following. X square is equal to 7, y square is equal to 16, z square is equal to 0.02. So here x square is given as 7. If you want x value, you have to remove this power 2. If you remove power 2 here, this side the same power will become 1 by. So x is equal to, it will become 7 to the power 1 by 2. So 7 to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 7. So whenever we remove the power on left side, right side the same power will become 1 by. So y square is 16, y is equal to 16 to the power 1 by 2. Now 16 can be written as 4 square. If 2 powers are there, we will multiply. So y value will get 4. Now z square is equal to 0.02. Z is equal to, if you remove the square, 0.02 whole to the power 1 by 2. Whole to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.02 under root. Now fourth bit, u square is equal to 17 by 4. If you remove square here power will become 1 by 2. So u is equal to 17 by 4 whole to the power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 is nothing but root. This square root of 4, we know its value is 2. So you can take it out 4 from the root. So it will become u is equal to root 17 by 2. Now write fifth bit. W square is equal to 27. So W square is equal to 27, you can write 3q. If you remove power here, that side it will become 1 by. So W is equal to 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 2. W is equal to, if 2 powers are there, we will multiply 3 into 1 by 2. So W is equal to 3 to the power 3 by 2 also. Now sixth bit, t to the power 4 is equal to 256. If you remove the power on left side, it will become 256 to the power 1 by 4. This 256 you can write 4 to the power 4. Whenever 2 powers are there, we have to multiply 4 into 1 by 4. So we will get t is equal to 4. So like this, we can remove the exponents and we can find out the variables. Now question number 2. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational? Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First bit 5 minus root 3. Here 5 is a rational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Whenever we add or subtract any number to irrational number, we will get irrational number only. So it is an irrational number. Because we cannot subtract or we cannot add, as it is you will write 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Now root 3 plus root 2. This is an irrational number. This is also irrational number. They are dissimilar terms, we cannot add them. So final answer is it is irrational. Third one, root 2 minus 2 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. Let us simplify it. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Root 2 whole square is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4 root 2. 2 plus 4 it is 6 minus 4 root 2. It is like first problem. So rational number minus irrational number, it is irrational number. Next fourth one, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So here 2 root 7 by 7 root 7, we can cancel root 7. So 2 by 7 it is in p by q form. So it is a rational number. Next fifth one, 2 pi. This pi value is 22 by 7, but it is not exact value. So this pi 22 by 7, even though it is in p by q form, it is not a rational number, it is called an irrational number because that 22 by 7 is not an exact value for pi. So pi is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Irrational number, if you multiply by 2 pi, it is also irrational number only. So pi value is taken as 22 by 7, but this is not the exact value of pi. So pi, we suppose that it is in p by q form, but it is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Irrational number, if you multiply by 2, you will get irrational number.